Hello, welcome to the channel. We're going to be looking for a adit that I found. There's one there. A couple of weeks ago. Been to this mine before, abandoned lead mine. But there was one adit that we missed. I happened to walk past the other week, so we're looking for that. And here we are. Let's pack up, go down and have a look. Right, packed up. Time to get in here. Oh, wet for a change. Ooh, open the gate up and let's go in. Right, we're in. This is where we're. It's pretty wet. It's quite deep too, to be fair. Alright, let's see where it goes. Yeah, I would normally roll my trousers up here, but I don't think there's much point, to be fair. It's going to be way past. Ooh, it's deep. Deep and cold. Oosh. Oh. Let's try waist anyway. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Seems to go off again. Is that an old Corona bottle? A Lucozade or something? Real glass bottles. This is a wet level. We have a collapse, unfortunately. I don't know if we can crawl up there or not. As you can see, I'm pretty wet. Water's about here. But, onwards. Oh, one bottle. Wine bottle. Okay, looks like there's a way out. So we can hopefully crawl up into a stope by the looks of it. Clay or something here. Small stope. where they've found a bit of the load. Then it carries on then, down to the flooded level that I was just following. And back into the water. And shimmy down. Oh, yep. There we go. Back in the remains of an old track. Is this the end, or is it collapsing? That's the end. Right. Back out the same way. Try and find another adit. Right, I'll crawl over this and I'll see you on the other side. There we go, climbed up that. I needed my both my hands for that. Back down into the adit. I'm going to catch up and curve now, maybe. Wash my hands. The trouble is now I've gone through it, I've unsettled it. So trying to find where the rocks are. So I don't go flying over. Lovely and deep. Lovely and cold. And there we are, back at the entrance to the adit. On tiptoes. The water's up past my trousers, to my waist. Found the next adit, which is just a bit further up. A little bit wet, not as wet. Not much point rolling my trousers up after the last one, that's for sure. It's tight on this. There is a coffin level on the top at it. Yeah, good price up. We're talking then. Come to the junction. Ah, yeah. This is where the false floor is, if I remember. That's the one. Down, so I'm standing on a false floor here. Collapse that end, a bit of daylight coming through a bit. There's a tight crawl on the other side, which goes to a dead end, which I'm not going to crawl through today. You can see. Go up. Golden Wonder. A golden wonder how long they've been there for. Boom, boom. Some more old bottles. Water. And this just has a full loop and comes back around where the bottles were. Which is that way. That takes us to an old stope that you got to climb into, so not much to see up there. sandpaper or something. Oh no, nothing up there. Down this now. Slide. Loose stone collapsed. There is a nice open stove down here. Past it. Right, I'll cut to when I come out the water, save the noise. So you've got this passage where it goes off. Now, see a big stopes where they found the load of the lead. And there we go, to the open stope. You can see there, daylight coming down into this beautiful whole shaft. Something there, flooded. Beautiful. Very tight down here. Having to pretty much fold myself in half to walk down here. A back killer. Muddy too, to be fair. Sloppy ground. Right, we turned around. It just goes to a tight crawl where there used to be a collapse has been cleared. Big shaft going down and unfortunately another dead end. But we will be coming back here with some ropes so we can go down these shafts. There's a couple on this mine that we want to come back and do with ropes. Stand up now, which is nice. Daylight coming in. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Nice, secure again. Oh, she's tight. Oh, there we go. Slidey. Another one here. One. Oh. Nice. And we're there we go. There's the exit, guys. And we're out. Phew. Alright, well thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next one.